Yo, my guys, today I'm going to show you how to add Google Analytics to our WordPress website. So, Google Analytics is we can by Google Analytics we can find visitors count and where the visitors come from and all visitors details on Google Analytics. So, I will show you how to set up Google Analytics. Google Analytics. So, search on Google Analytics and you will see this result and go to that result. So I didn't test this before, and I didn't practice this before, so I will be do what steps to never mind. So click on setup for free and add your account name. So my account name will be lazy full stack developer. Then I will add ticks to those all steps and click next. After that you have to choose your website type. So currently my website is web, it's website. So after that I click on next. Then I need to add my website URL. So my website URL is lazydeveloper.com. So I will add it, remove the https and backslash. So this is my website name. After that I need to add my website URL. So my website URL is https lazyfullstackdeveloper.com. So you have to add industry. So my industry is computers and electric. I think that is my industry. Let me check the industries. Internet and telecom. What is my industry? I will add it as internet and telecom. I don't know the correct industry. By the way, I add internet and telecom, add your industry. It means your niche. So my country is Sri Lanka and add your country. After that, if your country has different time zone, click your time zone. After that click on create. Then I have to select my country again. After that I click accept. Then I click accept and I click I accept. Okay, now so I will click on save. Then no thanks. Okay, now we need to add our ID to no add this code to our WordPress website. So I just copy this text and go to my WordPress website. After that I go to appearance and theme editor. In theme editor click on I understand. Then find your theme header. So this is my theme header. After that in your header tag, before your header tag enter this code. After that click update file. Okay, great. Then we are successfully added. So now we need to check it worked or not. Currently it says 0 connected. So so I go to home. Then I go to my website. lazyfullstackdeveloper.com. After that, if I go there, when I go there, I must see currently. Yeah, I saw it. So our Google Analytics update our website correctly. So if you have more website and if you want to add more Google Analytics, just go to admin, click on admin. After that, in property, click on create property and follow the same step that I did before, and you will add Google Analytics code to your WordPress website easily. So this is today's video, and I will see you in next video. Bye bye. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.